Hey everybody, welcome back to Owl Creek. I'm Cody. I'm out here with my son Dayton. We're in the shop today. We are working on this trailer right here. There you go. Okay, this trailer right here. About 3 or 4 weeks ago, I started a project on this trailer. I actually ripped all of the wheels and tires, took all the hubs off, all the brakes, all that fun junk. Work that needs to be done to this, including all of the electrical. All the lighting and everything needs to be fixed. So today though, what we're gonna do is we are gonna run you through a step-by-step how to change out your hub and bearings and brakes. Dayton is actually gonna be doing that for you. I won't, because I just had surgery on my gut, so I can't really do a whole lot. So he is your man today. So easy, a 10-year-old can do it. So before Dayton gets started real quick, I actually did already completely disassemble this before my surgery. We just threw it back together real quick because we decided to make a quick video on how to do this. So he's gonna start by zipping his tire off of there. Like I said, it's already been loosened up, so he's just gonna zip it all apart real quick.
Ooh.
Need to go ahead, your center cap right there.
This one?
Yep, go ahead and knock that off. So there you go. All right, so once you do that, like he just knocked that off, this is actually what holds your wheel on your trailer. So this is your retaining nut right here. It goes out of focus. Okay, here we go. This is the retaining nut right here. And there is supposed to be a locking device that would slide over the outside of this and kind of hold that in. We'll show you that whenever we go to reassemble it. All right, bud, go ahead and pull that apart. There you go. Now you can just spin it off with your hands. Now you can pull the whole hub. Oh. There you go. Just don't let it fall on your feet.
Holy cow, this one is heavier than those new ones.
Thank you, buddy.
Yep. What happened?
I lost my microphone. All right, so while Dayton is zipping that thing off, how do you guys think he's doing? I think for 10 years old, he's doing all right, working out here in the shop. Well, tell you what, leave us a comment. Let us know how you think he's doing. And if you think he's doing good, go ahead and give us a like on the video. Give us a thumbs up down there below and give us a sub. Give us a sub to the channel if you would. We'll be out here in the shop making quite a few more videos this summer. I'm gonna clean this off. That way you don't get so much all over you. I just spin it right around like that and it kind of just, wipes them clean and then drop it all right on your hand like that. Dang it.
All right. Well, it's time for more heavy lifting. Luckily, this time it isn't as heavy. Oh! Well, maybe not heavy lifting. That ain't wanting to budge.
Grab your hammer.
We have some wires.
Yep, go ahead, take your wire cutters. Just snip these wires right up here.
I'm a professional at snipping wires.
All right, so what Dayton's doing right now, these are electric brakes. So Dayton is cutting these off. Like I said, all the wiring needs to be redone on this trailer. You can see here, it's just kind of a freaking mess. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing reassembled. Once I am finished healing up and everything, then we will get out here, rewire this thing, get All right, so I'm gonna sit right here in my lawn chair. Dayton's gonna start reassembling this thing. There you go. Okay.
Does this have to go in a star pattern?
Yes.
Okay.
As you saw there, Dayton has completely disassembled this. He just installed the new brake assembly. He got that all tightened up good. And now he is about to install the new hub. Right here, he has pulled out the bearing. You got it, Muscles?
I hope.
All right, Dayton's gonna slide that bearing back on. Slide it back in there. Make sure it's on there really good, right? Because you don't want her to fall out.
Yeah, that would another day.
There we go. All right, this right here is the bag of goodies that they send with the kit. So you've got your new dust shield. You've also got your washer, which is the next piece right here. Your washer slides right up there against your bearing. In this instance, this kit came with a castle nut, but these axles, these are 7,000 pound Dexter axles. They do not have the hole for the pin for the castle nut. So I'm actually just gonna use the old nut for reassembly. Then we're gonna put this clip pin in behind it to keep the nut secure and to keep it from backing off. Run her on in some. That should be right. Go ahead.
I tightened it a little bit with my hand.
Okay.
Okay, so this is supposed to be torqued with 30 foot-pounds, and my dad got this set up with 35 foot-pounds, didn't you put it on?
30, 35, whatever, yeah.
So I'm just going to
Move your tire there.
move my tire. And now I'm just gonna go in
Other way. There you go.
until it clicks. There we go.
Do it again. Nope.
Oh yeah.
Let me show you. So real quick, if I can get this in focus on the camera, there is that little flat spot right here. This flat spot has to go on the top side of your shaft, which is also flat, and that's how they interlock, right like that. Just like that. Good job, bud. That slid right on there. That was perfect. Now he's got to put his dust shield on. All right, something that we did not talk about earlier was the greasing of the bearings. And this kit actually already came pre-greased. If you noticed the purple grease that was in there whenever we had it still in the box, you could actually see it on the bearing. And right now, Dayton is just squeezing plenty of grease right inside there, just to fill up that cavity some and have extra grease for whenever it's needed. Or your rubber boot thing, whatever, out of here. Okay, so Dayton just got this thing off the jack stands for us. I've been cleaning some of the junk off the top right here. As you can see, I still have plenty left to go. Dayton's gonna get this heavy stuff off of here for me as he walks into my hand. And then we're gonna hook it up to the truck. We're gonna go on a little test drive. And once we come back, Dayton's gonna hit all the bearings with some grease again. And it's hot, so after that, we're gonna call it a day. Anyways, I'm gonna time lapse the rest of this and probably just show a little bit of the test drive. Thanks for watching if you are still following along with us today, and hope that you subscribe and like this video. Thanks.